Yan. So, and then you might ask, bakit ba natin kailangan ng RP-VAR? So, anong nangyari was, number one, there were multiple valuations resulting in wide disparities in values. There are many values as there are many valuing agencies. Yan. So, sabi dito sa workshop, there are about 23. So, 23 government agencies doing their own valuations. Isama mo na dyan sina SSS, Pag-ibig, NHMFC, sino pa ba mga nandoon? Of course, si DOF, BLGF, yan. So, DBP, Land Bank. So, government agencies lang yun. So, iba pa yung mga nasa private corporations and companies. So, maraming valuations are happening and being used and kanya-kanyang uses ang ginagawa nila. Next, before, meron tayong mga outdated valuations that are used for government purposes, especially for national and local taxations. So local government units commingle valuation with taxation. So, kumbaga, dito lumalabas yung sinasabi doon during the workshop na valuation is technical while taxation is political. So ang nangyayari is na yung valuation na i-influence ng taxation policies ng mga LGUs. Yan. So yun yung lumalabas.